Welcome back children to lesson number 3, playing with numbers. Children, today we will start with exercise 3.3. Children, first question is, using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, by 6, by 8, by 10 and by 11. You can see the table in this. You can observe that there are some numbers which are to be tested by some numbers. That means these numbers has to pass some divisibility test of numbers. Children, you just have to write yes or no in this table. Here you will use the rules or the test which we did in our last videos about divisibility of numbers. Children, you can see that first one is done for you and the second number is 990. So children, as there is 0 at the ones place, it is divisible by 2. Then when we are adding the 3 digits, 9 plus 9, 18, it is a multiple of 3, so it is divisible by 3. Then fourth, you can see that it is not divisible by 4. 5, yes, it is divisible by 5 because 0 is at the ones place. Then 6, also it is divisible by 6 because it is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so it is divisible by 6. Then 8, no, it is not divisible by 8. Then 9, also it is divisible because 9 plus 9, 18, and 18 is a multiple of 9. Then 10, because 0 is at ones place, so it is divisible by 10 also. And finally 11, as the rule says that subtraction between sum of the digits at odd places and sum of the digits at even places. So 9 plus 0, 9 and 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0. So this number is divisible by 11. Then the next number is 1586. Children, at ones place it is 6, so it is divisible by 2. When we add all the digits of this number 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6, it gives 20, which is not a multiple of 3 or cannot be divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 3. Then it is not divisible by 4. Then again, because it is not divisible by 2 and 3, so not divisible by 6 also, and not divisible by 8, 9, 10 and 11. So this number passes the test of only number 2. Children, the next number is 6,39,210. Because here is 0 at the ones place, so it is divisible by 2. Then when we are adding the numbers 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 2, 20 and 20 plus 1, 21 and 21 plus 0, 21. So 21 is a multiple of 3, so this number can be divisible by 3. Then comes 4, it is not divisible by 4. 5, because it is divisible by 5 because it has 0 at the ones place. Because divisible by 2 and 3, so it is divisible by 6. It is not divisible by 8 and 9 but by 10 and 11. Why 10? Because 0 is at ones place. Children, then why 11? The sum of odds is 6 plus 9 plus 1, that is 16, and sum of evens is 3 plus 2 plus 0, that is 5. So 16 minus 5 is 11. So this number passes the divisibility of 11. Now the next number is 4,29,714. So children, you can see here that 4 is at the ones place, so it is divisible by 2. Then when we are adding all the digits of this number, it gives 27, which is again a multiple of 3, so it is divisible by 3. Then it is not divisible by 4 and 5. Then it is divisible by 6 because it is divisible by 2 and 3, so it is divisible by 6. Children, you can observe that it is not divisible by 8 because the last 3 digits of the number are not divisible by 8. Then it is divisible by 9 because the sum of all the digits gives 27, which is multiple of 9. Not divisible by 10 because 0 is not at the ones place. And children, it is not divisible by 11 because the difference between the sum of the digit at odd places and the digits at even places is not multiple of 11 or 0. Children, I hope you understood. The ones which are not done by the teacher, do as homework. Children, this was for all today. We will do some more sums of 3.3 in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye-bye.